Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Amazfit BIP Max. On our previous video, we showed you the results of our indoor walking, and we have here the results, the workout history. So we have here the data. We have at least 2 tests for our pedometer. You can watch our first video for the results. And on this video, we do have here the workout history. We are going to transfer this or synchronize it with the Strava application. So how can we put this data or synchronize this data with our Strava application for our Amazfit BIP Max? Okay, so we are going to show you the process or the step-by-step guide. So if you are interested to know on how to synchronize your sports data from the Amazfit BIP Max to the Strava application, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and put this data, the sports data, is the indoor walking from our Amazfit BIP Max and Zepp app to the Strava application. So we have here our BIP Max or the Zepp app, and here is our record from our BIP Max. We have here at least 2 activities. The indoor walk, we have the first one and the second one. Okay, so I want this activities synchronized with my Strava application. So we have here our Strava application. Okay, so we have here the data. Let me show you my previous activities. If I remember it correctly, we do have a record here from Huawei Band 11. Okay, let's see. As you can see, we do have the Band 11 here. We have the data. Okay, so I want to add my Amazfit BIP Max activities here on the application. So let's see. Let's check. So we have here the Zepp app. Okay, then we have here home, workout, badges, and device. Go to home section. Let's see if it's here. In settings, let's look for the profile. We have here the profile. Tap on this one. And as you can see, we do have here the third-party account linking. So we have to access this one. Look for the Strava application. So we have here the Strava app. Okay, select. Then as you can see, it is unlinked. Okay, let's read the instructions first. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, let's wait. It may take a while. So we have here to sync data with Strava. Please check the upload your activities from Zepp to Strava option on the authorization binding page. So this is the page. Alright, display heart rate. So let's try. It's now loading. Let's see if we'll have a successful synchronization. Then upload your activities from Zepp to Strava. View your private non-activity. View data about your public profile. So we will authorize the Zepp to connect to Strava. Let's see. Again, loading or I guess synchronizing the data to Strava application. Waiting. Authorization. Okay, we can import routes also if you like. Okay, it's now working. Let's see. You can also revoke the authorization here if you don't like. Let's wait. What else do we have here? Okay, Strava has a feature that automatically prevents duplicate uploads. Okay. So to save your routes, you have to enable sharing of private activities. Okay, so seems like everything is okay now. Let's select this one. And I guess it already opened our Strava application. Let's refresh. Okay, we do have, it is renamed to afternoon walk. Again, let's see, Strava, and we have it here. Okay, we have here the data. This is our first one. Let's see if it's here. Okay, we have here the 496 steps, the calories burned. We have here the average heart rate. Okay, then we have some insights here that is not available on the Zepp app. We even have the graph here, or the graphs. Okay, it is also added here. Nice. Okay, so very easy to synchronize it with our Strava application. As you can see, there's no issues at all. Amazfit, what's this? Let's see, discussion. So this is discussion. Let's check for the second one. And that's it. Okay, so far everything works for our Amazfit BIP Max when it comes to synchronizing the data with the Strava application. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the tutorial, drop a comment below. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.